In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an automatically updating Google Sheet. This is especially useful when you are using time-based or random formulas like now, to-dow, or rand. By default, these functions can feel like they only update when you edit a cell or refresh the sheet. What we are going to do is adjust a spreadsheet setting so Google Sheets recalculates automatically on a regular schedule. That way, your sheet stays current without you needing to touch anything. Start by opening the Google Sheet you want to update automatically. You can use a brand new blank spreadsheet or an existing one. Once the sheet is open, click somewhere inside the spreadsheet area so it is clearly active. Next, go to the top left menu and click File. In the File menu, look for Settings and click it. This opens the spreadsheet settings window where you can control things like general preferences and calculation behavior. In the settings window, click the tab labeled Calculation. This is the section that determines when Google Sheets recalculates formulas, including functions that depend on the current time or generate changing values. Now find the option called Recalculation. You will see a drop-down that is often set to something like On Change. That setting means formulas recalculate mainly when something in the sheet changes, like when you edit a value. To make your sheet update automatically on its own, open that drop-down and select On Change and Every Minute. This choice is the key. It keeps the usual behavior of recalculating when you edit the sheet, but it also forces a refresh every minute. That helps ensure that now and to-dow keep moving forward, and rand can re-roll regularly without you manually triggering updates. Once you select On Change and Every Minute, click Save Settings. After you save, the sheet will return to normal, and the recalculation behavior will apply going forward. As a quick tip, if you are using these volatile functions across many cells, frequent recalculation can make very large spreadsheets feel slower. In that case, use these formulas only where needed, or limit how many cells depend on them. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.